In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Nokia. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock under Device Security. Pick the best login method for you, pattern PIN or password, and create it. When you're ready, choose Next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it in order to confirm it, and hit Confirm. Lastly, tap on the best option for your notifications on locked screen. I don't want to receive any, so I will go with the last option and click on Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!